Hello everyone, I am Gagan Joshi. In this video, we are going to solve the valid anagram question. So, given two string s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. What does it mean is we have two string, the character of string as well as the count of characters should be same. So if you look at this s is equal to anagram and t is equal to nagaram, so both string have the same character and the count of character is also same. Let's do that with brute force. So if you look at this, if I sort this, and if I sort this, so by default when we sort two string, if they having the same character and the count of character is same, so they should be equal. So the simple brute force is return s dot sorted is equal to t dot sorted. It's a one line answer. So this is brute force. So the time complexity is n log n, which is the time complexity of most of the sorting algorithms. So if I want to optimize this, I will prefer using a dictionary. Let's do it. So I am going to comment this, then I will have where dict, and I will take it as a dictionary of character and integer, and I'm just copying it and giving the name dictionary s and giving the second dictionary name dictionary t. And what I will gonna do is I will have a for loop for value in s. Okay, I will add that object in dictionary s, so plus is equal to 1, so it will increment the count. This is the shorthand of dictionary function. So instead of having if else getting the character out, getting the count out from the dictionary then adding it, I can do that thing with dictionary value default function. So like this is shorthand. So similarly I will do the same for value in t, and then I will write the same here dictionary t. So now the thing is, now we will compare the dictionaries. So if t dictionary s and dictionary t are same, then it is a valid anagram. So if I change it, I just added one character, so it should be false. Here also let's print both the dictionaries, dictionary s and dictionary t, so we will have a better idea. So if in the original scenario, so if you see both the dictionary are same. So this solution which we did with the dictionary, the time complexity is O of n, but we also used dictionaries, so it will have the space complexity which will be equal to O of k, where k is the number of unique elements.